Hi, I am Jenny Garcia. I am in one of the seven wonders of the Machu world. It is an ancient city built by the Incas. It is built on top of monument. I am on the vacation and full fishing and dream and really enjoy this visit. I feel happy. Here I am in one of the three most important buildings of Machu Picchu, La Intihuatana, which is considered a religious construction of the Inca Empire. We thought about this has been a wonderful experience in my life. I have learned a lot and I have felt very happy and calm and will definitely repeat this walk because it is wonderful. Thank you.